Folks, check out my trick 12 volt setup. I've got battery chargers in here to keep everything topped up. I've got an inverter so I can run whatever I want while I'm out in the bush, but what I really want to show you is my Baintech 6-way switch panel. Now, this little ripper not only keeps everything organised, but it's super easy to install. With these, I can hook up the appliances and flick the switches, like my lights right here. It also has a Cigar socket and dual USB port, which can be used for charging things like your phone. These panels also let you see your battery levels with the built-in LED voltmeter, and the panel even comes with labels, so you'll always know which switch powers each appliance. Now look, even if you're not a 12 volt whiz, these are so easy to install because unlike other switch panels, as you can see here, these come pre-wired, so literally anybody can install these. Baintech also make a 4-switch panel that comes with voltmeter and Cigar socket. If you want a trick looking 12 volt setup like mine right here, that's also really practical, go and grab yourself a Baintech switch panel. Look, they're not only a really good way to organise everything you're running, but they're so easy to install.